So yeah, hi guys. I took this out of the Yes Asia parcel thing, and yeah, I got 3 things, actually 4. One is not a CD. So I got T-ara's number 9 Japanese version. Is this focused? Leeway's Red Motion. And A-Pink's Unani. This is like so huge, so pardon if it can't fit. And the last one is Yuna's pin from I Got a Boy. I actually wasn't really planning to buy this, but since I just needed to go up to $50 to get, like, the free 5 coupon. So yeah, setting these aside. T-ara. Here's the CD. Here is the OB strip. Front cover. Back cover. Here's the track list. Since I bought the normal version, I got the bonus track. I prefer it that way instead of the video, which I can, just get from YouTube. And here's the side. Focus. Yeah. So when you open this, so here's the CD. Sorry for the glare. I'm just gonna focus this. Then the booklet. I'm glad that T-ara is now back to 6 members, because I prefer it that way. It's like the original ones. Like, I don't know. Seeing the additional members I don't know what to say. So yeah. So the back of the thing, the lyrics sheet, is that one. Then the lyrics, advertisement paper for Hyomen's movie. Then I don't know what's this supposed to be. So yeah. Then the card. I hope I don't get a group card, please. So, I'm not supposed to show this. 1, 3. Oh, I got Soyeon. I didn't get Unjong, but at least I didn't get a group card. Oh my god, I can actually trade this. So yeah, that's it for this one. I love number 9. It's one of my favorite songs of them. With Roly Poly and Lovey Dovey. So yeah, it's really catchy and it's a great song. So yeah, I love it. So yeah, thanks for watching and goodbye.